Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video of mine. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys have been noticing my subscription count, I currently have 1,010 subscribers, which is freaking crazy. I am so stoked. Thank you to all of you guys, and if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I was gonna do a giveaway, but then I quickly realized that I have no money and that I'm broke, so yeah. But I do have my heart in this video to give to you guys, so hopefully that's enough. Probably isn't, but yeah. Anyways, for today's video, if you haven't noticed yet, it is not going to be a DIY, it's going to be a Depop haul. And if you guys don't know what Depop is, it's basically just an app on your phone or whatever device that you can download it on. And it's kind of like a online shop, sort of like Etsy or Kijiji, where people like me or you can like go onto this app and either shop off of it or like sell your items on it, which is great. And what I love about it is that you can actually bargain, or not really bargain, but like negotiate with the seller through like private messages and just ask them if they can lower the price or raise it. Or also, I actually have a Depop shop myself too, which is at Anna Tran, so make sure to check it out because I have a few of my DIYs that I sell on there, as well as just some other things. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So starting off with the first item, I just have a really pretty boho blouse from the Thrift Circle. And this is the top. It's kind of like vintagey and grandma-y, but I thought it was really cute. And it's just this, I've been saying cute a lot, I'm sorry. It was $14. It was actually put up for $15 with $5 shipping, so $20, but I was able to bargain, so yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing it. The next thing that I picked up is from the shop Michelle Ransom one, and it's a set of 3 necklaces. Basically, this is the set, and it just comes with the sun, the moon, and the star. Originally, these were actually all like connected, but I used my DIY skills and I separated them, and this was put up for $6 and I was able to bargain it down to $4.50. So, and the last thing that I have is from the shop Surely Okay, and it's just this really cute, really nice vintage crossbody purse. This was put up for $14. Pretty and cute. Oh, and I almost forgot, the last thing that I have is from the shop Zavana, and it's this really pretty peach phone case. What was really great is I actually told, like, every single of these buyers, I told them that if it was okay if I mentioned their store name because I was doing this haul. And Zavana was so nice, and she was like, oh, it's okay, then I'll just give it to you for free. And I was like, oh, that's great. And she's like, just like if you can mention my shop name. So here I am. She has a lot of other prints if you want to check her shop out. It's really great. But this is originally on sale for $12. She's actually based in London, so this is like £8, but obviously converted to Canadian dollars, it's $12. So yeah. So that is basically it for my Depop haul, but I do have 2 things to show you from Amazon. So the first thing that I have is just this belt from Amazon, but it's from the shop Maiku. This was put up for $8.99. And the next thing that I have, and the last thing that I have of this haul, is just from Cinewell, and it's just this pink portable charger because I've kind of been wanting one or needing one. It's just really tiny and very convenient, and I love how it has this little light. And of course it's pink because that's my favorite color. That is all that I have for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. Thank you again for 1,000 or 1K subscribers. It's so weird to add that K in there. If you haven't, again, make sure to subscribe down below and check out my Depop shop. And yeah, ciao!